Yes, yes, yes. What it is, man. It's your boy Conga Line Crypto, and I'm back with another one. How you guys doing out there? I hope everybody doing great. It's a beautiful day, so let's get it. But before I go any further, guys, I'm gonna ask you guys please to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you could know when I upload something new. And if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, guys, I'm gonna have my link down below in the description box. Use my link to sign up. When you do so, you get $25 to start your crypto journey. That's just a beautiful way to get into it. And also, guys, I want to talk about New Paradise Natural. If you guys need any CMOS, get with New Paradise Natural. I'm going to have my discount code down in the description box. You can use my discount code. When you do so, you get 25. No, I'm sorry, guys, not 25. You get 15% off any purchase, guys. Any purchase. They got all kinds of stuff, guys. So they got sea moss, they got rose water, they got it all. And as I said, sea moss is really good for your energy and, give you more stamina. Good for the skin, make you look younger and all that stuff. So use my discount code, get yourself some sea moss, and live your best life. That's what it is. But let's jump into the DeFi wallet, guys. I really want to talk about a little bit about DeFi because right now, guys, as you guys can see that, crypto, everything is just looking stagnant. If you are someone who just holding your crypto and waiting for the market to go up, then, listen, guys, it could be a while because from the way things looking right now, things just looking, it's just up and down. And, unless you a trader that jump in and out. But if you someone that buy the coin and sitting there waiting for it to go up, then you're definitely going to wait for a minute because you're not going to make a lot of money right now because it looks like we in a bear market to me. Everything moving sideways, and 1 minute it might shoot up a little bit, but it come back down. So basically what I want to jump in, because as I said, anybody that subscribe to my channel, I always want to give you guys the scoop and and the things that I know that's going on. But as you guys can see right now, this is MMF. I have so many videos about Finance, and if you guys really watch my videos, you guys will see that I've been covering Finance since Finance was like 300 million, and if you see where they're at right now, they're at 1.3 billion dollars. So that's just said, what I'm saying, it's just Finance was like one of the best platform right now. And I have another one. And basically what I want to tell you guys about these platforms, basically you want to catch these when they're early. And I'm going to show you guys. You see all these right here? These is early. Like, when you look at them, you look at the market cap. These market cap is really early. This is at 400. What is it? 47.9K. So when you see anything with a low market cap like that, and as I said, not a financial advisor, the things I talk about is just the things that I'm doing and try to find financial freedom in the things I'm doing. So if you need financial freedom, if you need financial advisor, get with a financial advisor so they could guide you through these things. But these things have risk, and everybody have to know that. So bear that in mind. And but as I said, guys, you definitely have to find the gym when it's low, at a low price, what I'm saying, so you could grow with it, when it grow. You don't want to jump in. Well, not say you don't want to jump in. You don't want to really jump in when the project's already up. You know what I mean? Because now, like, you jump in, it's a possibility that that same project could go back down to a certain degree, because that's how it goes. It's up and down, up and down. So if you jump in a project at the top, then you lose money, because now you jump in because you see this thing been running, and as soon as you jump in, it might turn around and start heading back down. So that's one thing I always say, guys. And I know sometimes I just talk and I listen back and I said, damn, but what I said, guys, I always said this: you definitely want to get in a project when the project is early. If you guys look at MMO right now, MMO is at 675 million. Now, I remember when MMO was only 200 million. But just to show you, this thing going. And that's a coin that I really want to talk about. And definitely, guys, I'm gonna have my only fan page, so I could talk to people more. Anybody that want to get with me, they could get with me one-on-one, Zoom call, no matter what it is. It's gonna be there, so you could get with me and we could talk about all these projects. It's gonna be a small fee. I just gotta finish set up everything, but you guys are gonna be able to get with me and OnlyFan, and we could take it from there. But MMO is moving, and the reason why it's moving is moving because it's a low market cap. The total supply is very low. But MMO is not what I want to talk to you about today, guys. I want to talk to you guys about something lower than MMO, and I'm gonna jump in it. And this is it, cyborg swap. Cyborg, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but cyborg swap, that's what it is, guys. Cyborg swap is in my radar. This is the new thing going, because what I want to tell you guys about this thing is early. So if you jump in right now, not a financial advisor, do your own research. But if you jump into cyborg right now, I feel like you get it, because it's still up to a certain, I think they're like 18. Well, they went down a little. So they have 14 cent right now. 14 cent per coin. And this is a new DEX. They do NFT. You can stake your NFT here. They have regular staking pool. They have regular farms where you could create liquidity pools and stake your tokens. And this is where it's at. This is it. I do have my NFTs here, staking my NFT, because just having the NFT, you could sitting there and not doing anything. I never like that. That's not the way to go. You guys know how I get down. I like to put my stuff to work. So basically, I just want to show you guys this real quick and let you guys know how I feel about this cyborg swap. I feel like this thing is the next Finance. This thing could really take off, because what they doing, as I said, they do have high APY, and you do have a place to stake your NFTs. And if you have NFTs and you really want to make some money while you have your NFT waiting for the price to go up, the best way to do it is to put it here and earn some money on your NFT. So far, guys, I earned 29 cent, almost 30 cent. Well, it was up and it came back down. So I earned 30 cents so far in my NFTs, and I got my NFTs over here. They just stake over here and they give me interest in my NFTs, guys. So that's a beautiful thing. Before, my NFTs was just in my wallet sitting there. So I have all 6 of them staked, which I know I wasn't supposed to stake all 6 of them, but I'm taking the risk right now, guys. The risk of losing it all, but that's how it is. So this is what I want to show you guys. So definitely you could stake your NFT right here, and you also could just do a regular pool, and you could farm, guys. I want to take you guys to the farm. You could farm right here. You could farm. You see the APY. These is just as high as Finance. So they really doing big things. And as I said, these guys is low right now. They only at $3.5 million or something like that. So we could check it out. But they low. They so low. The DEX is really on the up and up right now. So I think this deck gonna take off. You know what I mean? Not a financial advisor. I'm not a what you would say. I'm not one of them type of dudes. I'm not a I'm trying to find the right word. I'm not a psychic where I could just tell you what's gonna pop off. But in my mind, I think this gonna pop off because of the NFT situation. And anybody that could stake their NFT, that have their NFT, and they could stake their NFT and earn money in the NFT, I think they're gonna jump to this DEX, because once they find out these things. So, and I just found out because I was on Twitter going around. I was just on Twitter looking around, and I went on the Mad Meerkat. I went on the the Minotaur money, and I was just going through their page, and I see, because the NFTs that I have is from the Minotaur money, and I went on their page and I see that they said you could come here to cyborg swap and stake your NFT and earn money. So that's all I really know about cyborg. But it's been on the DeFi wallet, but I just never check it out. But as I said, I'm just showing you guys right now. So you do have a bunch of different farms where you could put CNFT and CBO and stake it right here, and you get 444 APY, which those is just good. Like when you really look at these, all these is just good. Good APY you get back. And as I said, the token is, look, it's 14 cents right now, guys. And I'm even down, because when I bought this token, it was at 18 cents. So it's been going down, and it's all good. I'm not really going to worry about it. As I said, I know that this thing could jump up to $1 or two, you know what I mean? So cyborg is my next gym, guys. And usually, as I said, these content, I'm definitely going to put these in my OnlyFans so people could, you know what I'm saying, because I just kind of want, let me show you guys. So far, wow, I'm down big time. I'm down big time. I started with 30 with 3 something, and now I'm at 323. So I'm down like $50, guys. But so far I made some interest. The interest I made is $1.75, and I started this one yesterday. So as I said, this is the new DEX cyborg swap that I want to show you guys, and I think this is the next one that's gonna take off. Sometimes you got to bear in mind, you just got to give it some time, and you know, and people got to know about it. But not a financial advice. Check it out, do your own research. But so far, as I said, I got my stuff staked there, and I'm taking the chance. And I always said, when you get in a project at an early stage, yes, you're taking a big risk, because that project could go to zero. Now, I don't think this project going to go to zero. That's what I think, because if I think it was going to go to zero, I wouldn't put my money into it. You know what I'm saying? I did a little bit of research, and what I saw in the research, that, you know, it makes me want to take a step with this thing. So that's what it is, guys. As I said, man, I always try to find what's good, and once I find what's good or what's about to pop, in my opinion, I'm gonna let you guys know. You just got to do your own research and see if it's right for you. But this is what I'm doing right now, guys, and I'm still doing my finance. I'm still doing MMO. I still got my VVS. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Line Crypto. I hope this was value for you guys. And well, most of the videos that I do, it got values in it. You just have to find the values in the video. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, man, that's enough, guys. It's your boy Congo Lion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload something new. If you haven't signed up for crypto.com, check in the description box. Use my link and signed up. Check out New Paradise. Get you some CMOS. Use my code. Use my discount code. Sign up for that. I'm going to finish up with my OnlyFans soon. I'm going to have that also in the description box so you guys could get direct contact with me. And that's what it is, man. The goal is financial freedom. We're on the journey, so let's get it, man. So you guys stay safe out there. Let's make money. And the goal is financial freedom. You know how it goes. Let's get them.